If you want to know how to use Evergreen email sequences in your sales funnel without wasting hours setting things up, you're in the right place. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Using one software we tested against all the top platforms, and the best part, you can try it free exclusively from this channel. Evergreen email sequences are automated email campaigns that run continuously, delivering value, offers, and follow-ups to each new subscriber at just the right time. Think of it as a set it and forget it machine that keeps warming up leads, converting prospects, and even re-engaging cold contacts without ever needing to manually send another email. Here's how you can build one into your sales funnel in minutes. First, inside the software we'll be using, head to the Automation or Sequences tab. You'll start by creating a new automation and selecting a trigger. In this case, the most common trigger is someone signing up through your lead magnet or opt-in form. This becomes the starting point for your Evergreen sequence. Next, map out the sequence. The most effective Evergreen funnels usually have 5 to 7 emails spread out over 10 to 14 days. Email 1 is your delivery email. Send them what they signed up for, no fluff. Email 2 builds rapport. Share a quick story, success result, or personal insight. Email 3 introduces your offer. Keep it subtle but clear. Then emails 4 through 6 build urgency, bust objections, or offer bonus value. Email 7 gives them a final nudge, clear call to action, limited time deal, or even a case study to back it up. Make sure each email links back to your offer, uses personalization tokens like their first name, and spaces out delivery using smart delays, which this software handles easily. You can also split test subject lines or content blocks right inside the platform to optimize for open and click rates. Once the sequence is done, connect it to your form or funnel. This step ensures that every new lead entering your funnel gets dropped into your Evergreen email sequence automatically. You don't need to manually assign them or move them through stages. Just turn it on and it works behind the scenes. Pro tip, tag subscribers based on actions they take during the sequence, like clicking a link or ignoring all emails. That way, you can send follow-ups or retarget them later based on behavior. This software makes tagging super simple and even gives you visual automation maps so you don't lose track. And remember, once it's live, you can keep refining. Pull performance reports from inside the software weekly. Look at open rates, click rates, and most importantly, conversion rates. If your email 3 gets low engagement, test a different story or angle. If the last email doesn't convert, maybe it's time to rework your call to action. The key takeaway? Evergreen email sequences are one of the highest leverage tools in your sales funnel. Once it's set up, it runs for you 24/7, nurturing leads, building trust, and closing sales on autopilot. And with the right software, setup takes minutes, not days. Here's a quick recap. 1. Create a trigger-based automation starting from your opt-in. 2. Build a 5 to 7 email sequence that delivers value and transitions to your offer. 3. Use smart delays and tags to personalize the journey. 4. Connect the sequence to your form or landing page. 5. Analyze and refine using built-in reports. Before you go, make sure you grab the exclusive free trial of the software we used. It's linked in the description, and it's only available for viewers of my channel, Dan Thorne. You'll be able to follow this exact process step by step with zero guesswork. Thanks for watching. Now go turn your sales funnel into a conversion machine.